guys, welcome back to the channel. This video I'm going to show you is about Metro raps. You know, I won for the best rap in the world, like a Rap Like a King, put on by Avery Dennison last year at SEMA. So they redone another car again to enter for Rap Like a King. I'm going to put the information below. If you could go to the Avery Dennison site, if you really like the car, go ahead and vote for him for the People's Champ. I think it's pretty sick. They sent me some video clips. They have some video, so I just went ahead and edited the way I thought it should be. But if you go to their channel, their Instagram Metro Raps, and also on their YouTube channel and Instagram, you'll see the video there. But you'll see the full-length video on their YouTube channel, Metro Raps. So go check it out. Let me know what you guys think. And as usual, thanks for watching. If it's your first time, please like, share, subscribe, hit the bell icon for future uploads. Go back and check out some of my previous videos. You may like what you see. Stick around, and I have some great giveaways coming in the future if we hit certain milestones. But go ahead and enjoy the video, guys, as the building's burning down.
There are those who say that the night is dark and filled with terrors, that the beast in the shadows cannot be heard nor seen, yet lies behind fear and under stars. But to those who understand how to tame this beast, understand that the brightest flame
Girl, come on to me. Come over here and perform for me. Come over here and perform for me.